No, leave more space. Just put it there. This space will choke also. You can see. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, so today I want to take you around to see some of the rice processing machine we have. So if you're a complete beginner and you want to go into rice processing business, here are the few machines you need. My name is Denison. You can call me Billionaire Farmer. So let's show you. So right here, we have what we call combined rice mill. So these machines here is the one that do your milling. That is after you have parboiled your rice. This machine does the peeling. This machine does the stoning. The machine does everything that you need your rice to be. So now let me just explain. This machine I'm showing you here is 20 tons per day capacity. What that means is this machine can produce over 200 bags or 50 kg for you in a day. So this is what this machine does here. It's a lot of complications here, but you don't need to know all those ones. So come to this side. Let me show you this one. So this machine here is what we call grader. So you can bring the camera close so they will see. So now this machine, what this machine does is, after this one has milled the rice, I've removed all the bag, the elevators, I will show you what is elevator. The elevator brings it to this machine, and this machine grade it so that the rice will not have short, because we call that broken rice. So during maybe harvesting rice, you know how we harvest our rice here in Nigeria, people use wood to flog the rice in the farm. So we have some of the seed that will be broken. So those broken seed, right, is what this machine remove away, because we want to serve you the best quality. We want to serve you rice that is full grains. So this machine does the sieving. I will show you after we have done the installation, done the testing. You will see what will come out from here. So when the machine is doing all that, you will see. So bring the camera very close. You will see that we have outlets here. This is where the rice is coming out. Here you have the standard one. So the rice that is full grain will come out from here. Here we have the one that might not be that long to come out here. The broken, then the smallest broken. So this is what this machine does. Very powerful machine. And many people don't know um, how their rice they consume, how it's being processed, the steps. So this is what the machine does. It's called grater. Then we have this one here. So this one is covered, but we'll uncover it later and I'll show you. This is our sorter. So what this machine does is it removes all the particles that are not white. So let's assume we have you have black rice, we have a brown rice, we have anything that is not pure white. This machine removes it away. Now, this is one of the disadvantages of this machine. For we who own this factory, we lose a lot of rice trying to serve you quality. So many times when you buy rice in the market, you will see that, oh, some are not even, they are not pure white, but they will make up a volume. So if your rice, that is during parboiling, if the parboiling was not done properly, this machine will select everything out and you will lose. So you can see that the machine is giving you high quality, only the one that is pure white. You will not see dark rice inside. You will not see anything that is not pure white inside. This is one of the best machine you can have when you're going into rice processing business. Not many people have it. It's very expensive. Maybe I will attach the price and everything for you. So this is what we have here. Now this one is our um water polisher. So what this machine does is it cleans your rice, because after processing from there, many times the rice have dust. If you buy rice from the market that is not the stone and you touch it, you see dust. Or let's say you want to wash your rice. When you're washing the rice, you see that the water you have used is dusty, is very dirty. It's because the rice was not water polished. So this machine here does the water polishing job for us. Clean the rice out and you have good quality rice. So you can see it. You can bring the camera very close here. Yeah, to this space, you can see it here. So all the components are not here right now, but we are going to install them. They are there. We'll bring them up and insert here. So you see how the rice will come out very clean. So this side now, this is our packaging point. So after processing the rice, all the rice are transported with elevators. You don't need any person to move the rice with buckets to the next side. There are elevators that does all the moving from the point of input where you put your paddy, moving it to the next machine. The next machine is all done by elevator. So the machine is automatic. You don't need many staff to run this capacity. The entire of this place can be run by, say, maybe 3 persons. Someone just stand at the other end, and then you pick your product at the packaging unit. So these are our packaging tanks. We are going to install this, you see it. So here is our packaging tank. You put your bag here. You put maybe your 20 kg bag or your 50 kg bag, you insert it here, and then this machine close it and package your rice. So this is our packaging. All you're seeing here is our packaging unit. We'll show you how they work. So now I was speaking about elevators. You can see these are elevators here. You can see they're fixing it now. This is our elevator. So what this one does, it does the transporting, moving rice from one point to the next point to the next point. So you who own the facility or you who owns the machine, you just settle down and get high quality rice. So if you have been watching me for a long time, I've been saying this over and over that rice business is one of the most profitable business you can go into. Not that I listen to people saying it, but because I have seen people do it and I've done it myself, right? And I've seen the demand we have for rice. Rice is one of the most consumed food currently in this country. As of last year, we consume rice worth over 1.1 trillion. So it's something that we eat every day. Now, I always advise people that when you want to go into rice processing business, the first thing you have to consider is your raw materials availability. So you don't set up a rice processing factory and you don't make provision for where you'll be getting paddy. It's one of the major issue. I've seen a lot of factories close down. I was speaking to someone recently. He told me that he invested money in getting a rice machine, very high, expensive. These machines you're seeing here, they are not cheap. Yeah, so you have to understand that. So when you install it and then you're not able to manage it because of paddy, it's not good. So make provision for paddy where you're sourcing it. If you're within Nigeria, you can be sourcing from northern Nigeria. That is where rice is. And maybe your factory is in the east. You take it there. You need to make good provision for funding to move that business for you. You need to buy paddy in large quantity. So if you want to go into rice processing business, I'm the right person you need to speak to. We bring the machines from China, depending on the quantity that you need or the quality of the machines that you need. We install the machine for you here in Nigeria. We teach you how to run the facility and guide you on even how to procure your paddy and everything. We help you to even get your NAFDAC number, everything that you need from us. We can help you to get that. So our WhatsApp number is there on the screen. If you need the machine, we can get it for you. So one thing I forgot to mention is that these machines you're seeing here, they are only milling, destoning, polishing, and the rest. We don't have parboiling section here. So for someone who wants to go into it and want to have a complete set, so this one is like semi-automated. What that means is you still need to parboil your paddy manually, dry it using the sun manually, then you bring it here for milling. But if you need a full set, that is parboiling will be done by machines, drying will be done by machines, the milling, packaging, everything by machines. we can also get the equipment for you. This one, like I say, is 20 tons per day. You can get 1,000 tons, you can get 100 tons, you can get 50 tons. But all the capacity comes with different um, capital base. So, but for someone who is a starter, you're yet to understand the business by yourself. This is the best set for you. So you do the parboiling, you dry manually, and then you do the cleaning with the machines. So reach out to me on WhatsApp and we'll guide you on how to start this business. Thank you.